welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we're gonna be doing a beautiful Nutty Nude Foxy eye today. And Nutty Nude kind of means I'm gonna be using a mix of burgundy and brown. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, as usual, I have already prepped my skin, and from the priming of skin, I'm gonna be using this NYX Plump Red Back Primer. So I'm just gonna take some on my fingers, just like so. And then I'm just going to put this all over my face. And also on my eyes. Basically everywhere. Okay guys, now for color correcting, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm just going to apply this onto all the darkness. Guys, now for skin tint, I'm going to be using this Bare Wiles Tinted Hydrator. And I'm just going to put this right on the back of my hand, just like so. And now just with my hands, I'm just going to pick some and spread it with my hands. Just like that. All over my skin. I'm just putting some more, just like so. Guys, I'm just going to blend this into my skin. As you can see, it provides a beautiful glow, and it's just like my favorite skin tint ever, and it's so inexpensive, and it just does the job, guys. It is so good. Like, the formula is so much like a high-end cream formula. Super easy to blend. The finish and everything is just so good. And the coverage is also so good of this product, guys. It's like a medium to medium coverage for sure. I also use this on special occasions, and just it is that good for me. I use it on weddings, festival season, and everything. So I trust this foundation so much, and it also wears throughout the day very nicely and very well. Okay guys, now for a concealer, I'm going to be using this KVD's HD Liquid Concealer. And with this, I'm just going to highlight my face with this. This is super lightweight and natural finish concealer. I love this. Now, as usual, I'm just going to blend this into my skin, and it blends super easily, like seamlessly. I didn't have to do anything, and it already blended. Like, it is so easy to blend. It's just so basic. I love this. Literally, the formulation is like a dream. It blends like a dream. It wears throughout the day like a dream. Like, it's so good. Okay, so now it's time to put on our cream products, and for that I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer, and this is such a beautiful bronzer, guys. It blends so easily. The formulation is kind of my favorite. It is so smooth and it applies so nicely, and it is super easy to blend and it doesn't look muddy at all onto the skin, and I just love this. It's so good. It really is. And it's super easy to bold as well. And I love it so much. I like bronzers to be buildable rather than super pigmented in one go. So it's easy to blend so it doesn't look too muddy if you accidentally apply too much. So yeah, that's why I love it so much. I'm just going to contour my nose just like that. I just apply 2 lines on both sides of my nose, right, just like so, on the tip. Just like that. And also put it right here just across the nose, just like so. For like butter nose kind of a look. And also do it this way. Like a C right here. Make it. This kind of vibes looks like natural contour. Okay guys, now let's start with our brows, and for that I'm going to be using this Maybelline Tattoo Brow 3-Day Styling Gel. I'm just going to brush this through my brows. This is such an amazing product, guys. It's waterproof, smudge proof, everything. Okay, so now for starting with the eyes, I'm going to be using this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Guys, and from this palette, I'm going to be taking this shade called Soda Pop right here. It's a beautiful, like a plummy kind of color and quite dark plum. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to be using that and creating a wraparound wing with this. Just like that. I'm also going to take it right here on my lower lash line, just like so. Kind of like illusion of like a, you can say as a wraparound wing. And the same I'm going to do on my other eyes as well. And I'm also going to extend my inner corners with this. Just like this, I'm going to do the same on my other corners as well. Guys, now what I'm doing, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and with this, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to set my lids with this. So I'm just going to set it with my powder. Okay, so I'm going to be using this shade called MFED. I'm just going to slightly dust it right here on the crease and not on the lids, just on the crease, just like so. And just like that. I'm just going to do the same on the other eyes as well. Guys, now what I'm doing, I'm going to be taking this shade called Jazz, and I'm going to mix the shade with my buns, just like so. And with this, I'm going to do this. Just like that, I'm going to do the same on my other eyes. Now with the MFED shade, I'm just going to kind of like blend this. I'm just going to do the same on other eyes so that there are no harsh lines. As I'm just going to take the shade called Beam now. It's a lighter color, light shimmery color, and with this I'm just going to use this on my eyelids, just like that, like bright and blue. Just like so. I'm going to just do the same on the other eyes as well. And also I'm putting this right here on my inner corners as well. That I'm also going to take the same shade called Beam and put it right here. under the wing just to make it more like snatch kind of like. I'm just gonna do that same on the other eye. Alright, now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be taking this Ink Velvet from Perry Parrots in the shade 23, and with this I'm gonna be using this as a blush, and I'm just gonna use this and bring it a little bit. And with my fingers, I'm just going to blend this near my eyes, just like that. Very, very like near my eyes, just like so. Just with my fingers, I'm just going to lighten it. Just like that, I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna take the same shade and I'm gonna put that on my lips as well as my lip color today. And I'm just going to blend that with my fingers. Kind of like a blurring kind of look. Now I'm gonna be using an highlighter, and for that I'm gonna be using this Nutty Glow Ice Ice Baby highlighter to just kind of add a little bit of glow to the high points of the face, just like so. Here. And I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. I'm also going to put it right here onto my bottom, just like that. Alright, now I'm just going to set my face with the same color that I used for my lids. Just like that, I'm just going to use that. Just to set it under my eyes, just like so. I'm just going to set all the places where I haven't applied the highlighter. Okay guys, now for our eyelashes, I'm going to be using this Big Mood e.l.f. mascara. I'm just going to as for last step of our makeup routine, I'm going to be using this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray this all over my face. As this is the final look. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. The foxy eye has turned so nicely, and also I kind of did a reverse eye makeup, and yeah, I think it looks so beautiful, and it's kind of like you can see it every day as well. It's super easy for us to create this beautiful foxy eyes. I think that looks so beautiful. So I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel and liking this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.